Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to get more followers on Instagram. So if you go for in the search bar, then search here for a popular person or a renowned person and make sure uh, that profile has the verified uh, option or verified. So after that you have to just go for follow this person, and now you can see so many people are suggested for you. So you have to just follow more people's 40 to 50 people's from here. Okay, you need to just follow them. You have to follow uh, who has this verified, who has verified in this Instagram. So if you follow more person, then after 5 minutes or 10 minutes you can get followers on your Instagram. So you need to just 42 you need to just follow 40 to 50 people. So okay, but you can't follow more people, because if you did that, if you do that, then you can blocked by uh, Instagram. So now you have to just wait for 5 minutes or more, and now you can see here I don't so you can see I have already 2 followers here. I don't need to wait for 5 minutes, and you can see I have already 3 followers, and they are original followers, not fake. So this is how you can get more followers on Instagram. You can see uh, 3 followers already I have. So that's it. This is how you can get followers on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.